This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Maybe you meant
Claude.
Cowork when you said
So,
Claude.
so what is Claude Code? Is that just through a straight terminal?
Well, so Claude Code is the main thing that we all use. You here in VS Code, you might access Claude Code directly from VS Code or from the actual Claude Code. In VS Code, it's a subset of functionality, but it's like 90% or so, right? From the terminal, though, you might be directly accessing Claude Code directly. I know it's confusing. Don't worry about that. Like it, trust me. In Cowork is a whole different thing from Anthropic. So
Cowork
100%,
is Cowork is like
it's its
cursor. Cowork is like cursor, right?
No, not really. It's a bit
no.
I
confusing. So the way
mean,
you got to think of this, just quickly, how I would think about it is think of it like there's the tool that you use, okay? And then there's the LLM or the language that you're interacting with, okay?
right,
So Claude in the browser, Claude as an application, VS Code and Cursor are all the tool that you use, okay?
right.
And you can choose to interact with the LLM of your choice. So all of those applications can speak whatever language and talk to or talk to whichever LLM you want to. So in that way, they're all flexible. But in Cursor, I was trying to test your context window, but my cursor is speaking a different language or connecting to a different LLM, so it wasn't working, if that makes sense.
Would terminal be in that category of like VS Code and cursor?
Well,
I- Is a terminal, a window terminal,
I
just
think
another way?
when you are using a VS Code terminal and you type /Claude, you are in Claude Code that has the full functionality.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a VS Code terminal. But if I just go to my uh, if I just run a terminal, like not through Claude Code, but in Windows.
Yeah, but just to be clear, from my perspective, the terminal is the terminal is a terminal, right? Just because you
Yeah,
access
the
the
answer,
terminal
yeah, it's
from
yes is the answer
VS
to your
Code.
question, right? Because you're the vessel that you're using, the application you're using, is a command line window wherever it is. So yes, so it's the same.
And the
There's just some
terminal,
extra features VS Code has, or some extra features Cursor has, but it's connecting to the Claude LLM.
okay, thank you. That's helpful. We're at least I'm struggling with the nomenclature
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
it's
Well,
It gets
complicated
confusing,
it is complicated. It is absolutely is, right?
and they
and
keep adding
people
new words and tools and things, and
and people don't use it in a disciplined manner. So um, a metaphor that's arising in my mind is Excel. Uh, uh, there is similarity. It's like workflows are like macros in Excel. And I don't know, that metaphor is helping me conceive of this new ecosystem of tools and tools that we're using to access the LLMs.
So one question on that to everyone here is also, um, I see a lot of videos where they talk about your agentic OS, and I don't know about you guys. To me, I don't like that term. Like, I don't think of it as an OS, an operating system. I'm like it's an environment, like it's a place where I'm doing stuff. But have you guys seen videos where they talk about your agentic OS and this is this? And I'm like, yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah, it
It
doesn't make.
confuses me more than helps me. Like, because
Yeah,
I'm
it
like,
does.
Yep,
Same
yep.
thing. I was like, when I hear Agentic OS, I'm thinking dashboards and workflows and all those other things. But to me, it's not an OS.
yeah, okay, good,
You know what I mean? It's
yeah.
It's a series, it's a collection of tools that I use for a particular, is that closer, Joe?
Sure, yeah, yeah, yeah. But which is I think is what David said. It's not an operating system, like
No,
that's what I'm
no.
like. I don't know. So, but right, I would say it's how you're, it's the environment they're in, but it's maybe I need to take a deeper look because maybe if we did think about it as an OS, maybe it would help us.
I think right now it's too early to call it an OS because it's so in flux with all the new things and all the AIs that are changing that I think it's more a set of a collection of tools right now than like having like being one thing and then everything's running on it. It's not,
Well,
you know what I mean? Because it'd be an OS on top of an OS. So because you're running Windows or Linux or Apple, this is running on top of it. So it's either you're running this as like a VM inside those. You know what I'm saying? It's not. To me, it's not making any sense as an OS yet.
yeah, all right, good. Well, I'm just glad to hear that you guys jive with that because I'm like, yeah, that
It just gets me confused when they say agentic OS. It's not an OS. It might be agentic, but it's not an OS. You know what I mean?
right. Yeah, it's the what's it called when you for like video files that are it's the container. It's the
Right.
container that has all your stuff. But yeah, again, I don't think of it as an OS. Anyway, all right, we're at the end of the. Thank you, Ryan. That was awesome. I I'm too vested in VS Code with Claude Code, but I really was impressed with the layout and the cleanliness. I actually asked AI if I could do the same thing of getting rid of the diffs and stuff, and it said, yeah, in VS Code I can do that. So I'm going to see if I can do that because um, that was my big one thing of like I don't want to see those like personally. I'm not looking at that stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's
You
just
might be able to actually, this might sound a bit odd, but you might even find a plugin for VS Code that lets you view a
yeah.
browser inside of VS Code and select objects. You
Well,
might be able to.
yeah. Yeah, and it mentioned there were some settings I can check. I was looking, but I was trying to pay attention to you too, so I wanted to watch what you were doing more than that. I'll work on it.
See, Joe, there's an idea for a section in your show to have the words we use,
If you can
where
use
we talk about the words we use, what we understand they mean, what is a dashboard, what is an agentic operating system, what is a skill, a command, etc. 10 minutes.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Well, thanks everyone for being here. Have a
Thank
great
it
you.
easy.
Thanks.